Hi everybody, in this video I will show you how to log rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. So these are my data. The first row contains the concentrations and the first column contains the wavelengths. But here is the problem. As soon as I scroll down to see my data, I cannot see my concentrations. The same thing if I scroll to the right, I cannot see the wavelength. For this, I need to lock both the first row and the first column so that I can read my data properly. Let me show you how to log both of them at the same time. So here it is. So go to B2 cell and let me highlight this so that you remember B2 and click B2 and you go to view and then you go to freeze panes. You click freeze panes and you can see three options: freeze panes, freeze top row, freeze first column. You can freeze only the top row, you can freeze only the first column, but here we want to freeze both the top row and the first column. So we do this one. Now let's try now. So if I scroll down, I can see the concentration or I can read the concentration. If I scroll to the right, I can see the wavelength. In this way, we solve the problem. Suppose you want to lock the first two columns and the first row. You can do that also. So for that, what you do is you go to C2. Let me highlight this again. Go to C2 and then you go to view and then you go to freeze panes. First you need to unfreeze. You unfreeze and then you go to freeze panes. Now you lock both these columns and the first row. Now you practice this. What if you go to C3? Let me highlight this here. If you go to C3, then what you'll see is you will be locking these two rows and these two columns, and that is how you do it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe for more tips on chemistry and Excel. See you in the next one.